welcome back to DYC Studios. My name's Ken, and as you know, I love talking about technology, especially technology that empowers creatives. Now today we're going to be talking about another XP-Pen tablet. God, they do some amazing things. I have the XP-Pen Artist 24 Pro sitting in front of me right here, and I love that bad boy. I also have the XP-Pen Deco LW pen tablet, but now I have the XP-Pen Star G640. Now, this is going to be a short video. This is a really small, compact tablet, so there's not much more that I can say, but I do have a Medium article that I wrote where I get a little bit nerdy and I talk more about the details, and I'll have that shared in the description down below. So make sure you guys check that article out on Medium. Now let's open it up. Well, first, anyways, I guess, you know, it has an active area of 6 inches by 4 inches. Again, really small. I think it's roughly 2 millimeters in thickness, if I remember correctly. It has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. So this is really cool, and it works for Mac and PC. You know, I am a PC guy. Sorry, Mac. It is what it is. I like PC. But this is really cool. This is a really cool device. It's small, it's compact. It is the go anywhere tablet. And there's a lot of other fun things about this, and I'll let you guys know about that as I open this up. Let me just get the little plastic off right there. There we go. And let's open her up. Slowly but surely. All right, I'm just gonna set that on my lap and we'll pull pieces by pieces out. So right there we have the tablet itself, and right there we have Phoenix, little cute Phoenix right there from XP-Pen, their little mascot. He is everywhere. And I guess we're just gonna pull this out. This is, oh, I like this. This is, again, it's tiny, it's compact. Look how thin that is. You guys can put this in your backpack and just go anywhere with it. And the great thing, it also has some little rubber pads on the bottom so it won't slide around. So if you're working in the coffee shop or on a train, which we do a lot in Germany, we work on trains because we're always traveling back and forth on the ICE. So, you know, but I really love this. This is really nice. So really small, really compact. Let's see what else is in the box. I'm just gonna set this down. Where do I want to set it down? Right here for right now. So it's gonna go right there. And we're just gonna open this up. Of course, we have the cable, very important. So this is a, I believe, USB-C on the end, and then it also has the smaller USB-C device. And then in this little packet right here, I guess I'm gonna set this down right here. Hopefully nothing falls over there. And we're just gonna open this up. Again, this is gonna be a short video. There's not a lot to see here, but we have the warranty card right there. Always nice. XP-Pen provides you with everything in the boxes. They let you know everything right there. You got the little smiley face, the big thank you for supporting. It says, "Dear customer, thank you for choosing XP-Pen product to help create your masterpieces. We hope they will serve you well. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks, the XP-Pen team." I really love it. And they have the contact information right there, the email addresses for like English, Chinese, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Polish, Russian, Portuguese, and you have the US telephone number and the China phone number. And also you have the various links right there as well too. So really nice. XP-Pen always very thoughtful on that. Then you have the, I guess, the setup guide. Very easy. The quick start guide. And again, pretty much if you set up one XP-Pen device, I can tell you it's very similar setting this one up as well too. From what I've seen, you know, the drivers are really easy. You download them, bada bing, bada boom. You set up your preferences and you're good to go. You also have the various nibs right here, and I think there's like 10 nibs in there. There could be more, but there's a lot in there. Now I do wish this wasn't in like kind of a floaty little package like this, because my luck, if I open this, I would lose everything. So I'm just gonna put that directly back in the box because that would be my bad. And then we're just gonna go for the smaller things first. We have the little ring right there so we can take the nibs out. It's not a wedding band or anything like that. It is just a little little nib, and you just pop it on there, pull the old nib out, and then replace it with the new nib. And then we have the pen, and it's right here. And I love XP-Pen. They really do a really good job about packaging things and really careful with everything. So this is the pen. I love their pens. I have to say, this is like now I think my 4th pen that I have from XP-Pen, and it's really nice. So you got the 2 buttons right there that you probably can customize with the app as well too. And again, it's not got that much, you know, jabber right there. So that's really cool. And it just feels good in your hand. It's ergonomically designed, fit really well. And it works for left-handed people as well. I do need to tell you guys this because I have a lot of friends that are artists that are left-handed. I'm right-handed. And first thing they always complain about are tablets that are made for right-handed people only. The great thing about this tablet is it can work with left hand or right hand. It just depends where you want to set it on your desk to do the drawing. Very cool. You can't get any simpler than that. The other cool thing about this that I don't know if you guys know about is that you can play Osu with this. And you're probably going, what is Osu, Ken? What are you talking about? It is this crazy kind of music game where you got to click on numbers and draw and drag, and it's insanely popular. Let me tell you. If you play it once, you're just gonna go nuts and get crazy with it. But people love using this tablet right here to play Osu, which is really cool, you know? I think, you know, hey, if you can actually draw on the tablet and create artwork on the tablet and then play a game, hey, that's awesome. Also, this tablet also works with Microsoft Office things like Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. People are using it for their things, and also for to do digital signatures. So this tablet, again, very thin, has multi uses: gaming, art, creativity, whatever. It's all there. And now the other cool thing about the XP-Pen Star G640 is that you can also get the Line Friends edition. And probably most Americans are probably, Ken, what is Line Friends? Well, if you look it up, it becomes addictive quite quickly. They're cute little bear. I think the bear's named Brown, if I remember correctly. I can't remember the bunny's name. Is the bunny's name Connie? I can't remember. And then you have a little duck, and I can't remember the duck's name. And you see the duck a lot. But Line Friends is really popular. They've actually they did a thing in the Line Friends store with Minions, so that's how popular Line Friends is in some countries. But you can get that edition. Unfortunately, I have the regular edition right here, which is fine. Okay, I don't need a little bear and rabbit on everything that I have. But, you know, this is really cool. So again, very lightweight, easy. Just shove it in your bag with your laptop, good to go. Maybe you might want to get a little case for it. That could be nice, I think, as well, too. That way you keep it clean. And then, hey, whatever. You can start doing whatever, whether it be creating artwork or playing Osu. Now, again, that could be fun. You might get addicted. Don't blame your addictions on me if you get in trouble by your boyfriend or girlfriend, spouse, or mom or dad. If I got you addicted to Osu, then I've done a good job. All right. So guys, make sure you guys check that out as well too. I'll have a link to Osu in the description as well. I'll also share a link to this too and how you can find this on Amazon as well. It is a really cool tablet, really nice. And again, XP-Pen I think really does listen to their community. They know what artists like and what they want, and they give them that. They really do listen, and they do it at an affordable price. And I can tell you there are other brands out there that overprice things, and I think XP-Pen does a really good job at the price point. You get more bang for your buck by going XP-Pen than you probably do any other brand. And I'm not just saying that, but I really do like XP-Pen. I think they are really nice, and also I think their tech support is really good. And hey guys, I also have an XP-Pen Facebook group. Guess what? And it is growing. I have it on Facebook. So guys, I'll provide that link also in the description down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, something short, something small, something quick, something easy, just to kind of get you guys interested in seeing what creative tech is out there, because, you know, hey, there's so many different tablets out there, and deciding which tablet is right for you is not always the easiest. But I think with XP-Pen, you cannot go wrong. So guys, check out the links below in the description. And then also, guys, you know, make sure you give a like to the video and also a subscribe, because that would be super cool. And you know, what do I say at the end of every video? Happy creating. We'll catch you guys on the flip side. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and make sure you guys check out the XP-Pen Star G640. It's super cool. All right, guys. Bye.